Hello and welcome. This is Hassan Shah and you're watching News 47. On 8th of October 2020, Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh accused Republic TV and two other channels of being involved in an alleged TRP scam, stating that there is an agency which measures TRP, and during the investigation they found that the households which were involved in the procedure of measuring the data were bribed to manipulate the TRP. The analytical report submitted by BARC has exposed Republic TV for manipulating the TRP. TRP, that is television rating point, is a survey that lets 44,000 TV sets to decide the popularity of a channel in India. On 9th of October, Rajiv Bajaj, the managing director of Bajaj Automobiles, spoke about blacklisting three channels they had stopped advertising on, stating that their brand would never be associated with anything they feel is a source of toxicity in the society, no matter what repercussion it may have on the business. On 12th of October, Parle-G announced that they will not advertise their product on toxic and aggressive Indian media channels. On 15th of October, Broadcast Audience Research Council suspended ratings of TV news channels for 8 to 12 weeks. On 18th of October, Arnab Goswami denied all the accusations against him and his channel and claimed that BARC has declared Republic Media Network fault-free. But on the same day, BARC released a statement saying that BARC India is highly disappointed with the actions of Republic Network by disclosing private and confidential communications and misrepresenting the same. On 19th of October, Arnab decided to sue Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh for Rs 200 crores over the alleged TRP scam case. 100 crores for the damage to the reputation of Arnab Goswami and 100 crores for the damage caused to Republic TV. The news channel called it an openly spiteful and deeply motivated witch hunt by the state government of Maharashtra in an earlier statement. Meanwhile, ex-ACP Iqbal Sheikh has also filed a case against Arnab Goswami and Republic TV and accused them for running a smear campaign against the Mumbai police. And on 20th of October, Arnab Goswami wrote a 7-page letter to the President of India Ramnath Kovind to draw the Honorable President's attention to the emergency-styled injustice and constant harassment. The whole scenario concludes that the use of black journalism is definitely being witnessed.